Hello everyone, my name is Welder, talking from Horse for Orphans, and just want to say that I'm so excited that Richard Ingela are here. They brought Lisa to here too, and now I can practice my English with them, and I'm so excited to learn more and more and more. And we also are doing the God time every morning, and I am learning so much. The time here is perfect. We have sun and rain, and we do have lots and lots of fruits. And I thank you all for your pray, and thank you all for everything. I wish you have a great day.